Good morning, all. Welcome to the pre-market report of June 22nd. I am Binu from Acumen Capital. Today, in Asia, Japan and Malaysia are trading slightly on the positive side. The rest of markets in Asia are trading down. Korea is down 2%, Hang Seng almost 1% down. Then Taiwan down by 1.5%. Singapore Nifty is showing a 65-point downside. And more importantly, Dow Jones Futures is trading with a 250-point cut. But yesterday, the US market rallied. All the three major indices moved up by 2.1, 2.4, 2.5%, Nasdaq up by 2.5%. All 11 sectors in S&P 500 ended with gains. And the mega growth stocks, the AAA stocks, that is Alphabet, Apple, Amazon, these stocks rallied between 3 to 5%. So today and tomorrow, one important event is there in US. Tonight, the US Fed chairperson is addressing the US Congress. So that is a two-day event, today and tomorrow. So market is waiting for his speech, whether he is going to announce another 0.75% hike next month, and his outlook on US economy. US economy is going into a recession or not. These discussions may happen in US Congress in the next 2 days. So global markets are waiting for that. Yesterday, even if market moved up, the US bond prices came down. That means US 10-year bond yields moved up from 3.23% to 3.30%. That is not a good sign for market. So yesterday's US market rebound will be taken with a pinch of salt. It's a dead cat bounce or not. So that discussion has been there from yesterday night after the US market close. So there are two sides. One side believes that the markets are still under trouble. Yesterday, Goldman Sachs came out with a report. In their report, there is a 30% chance of recession this year. So they have revised upward the chance of recession. Earlier, they have pointed out a 15% chance only. So Goldman Sachs in their report says that US Fed has no other way only to raise interest rate without considering a slowdown in the economy. So that is the view from Goldman Sachs. And another important comment came from European Central Bank President Christine Lagarde. She says that correction in asset prices so far has been orderly, but the risk of a further and possibly an abrupt fall in asset prices remains severe. So a higher chance of fall in all asset classes. So that is the comment from European Central Bank President. The third important statement is from Tesla CEO Elon Musk. He says that recession looks likely in the near future. Earlier this month, Elon Musk told that he is having a super bad feeling about US economy. So all these three negative comments about US economy is there. But on the other side, the government leaders, the government officials are trying to bring some confidence, some optimism. So they are trying to say that the recession may not happen as such. Yesterday, US President Biden said he spoke to the former Treasury Secretary and he said he doesn't see a recession. And another US Fed member, James Bullard, he said economy appears on the track so that a recovery may happen in coming months. So that is the second positive comment. And UBS, another important investment banker, came out with a report that recession in US and global economy may not happen. So it's balanced. 50% believe that recession and fall in US market is going to happen, and on the other side there are some bullish comments. So this confusion is there in global markets right now. But anyway, Dow futures down sharply in the morning, and it may have some impact in our market too. So we also have the same type of talks recently, whether our market hit a bottom or not. But anyway, FIIs are still continue on the sell side. Yesterday also they sold for 2,700 crore. And another factor, rupee again touched a historical low yesterday. So yesterday closed at 78.08. The previous low was on June 17th at 78.07. So here also a debate is going on whether market reached its bottom or not. When we analyze the chart, we can see that from the recent peak, market corrected sharply by more than 1,300 points, and somewhere around 15,252, 3 days before, market took support around that level, and yesterday it bounced back, but not up to 38% retracement of this fall. So that 38% retracement is somewhere around 15,800. So yesterday it didn't came up to that level, it came up to 15,700 plus level. And another factor to watch in this chart, say you can see that exactly 1 year back on the same time, that is 2021, June first week till July end, market was trading in a range only. That was between 15,600 on the downside and 15,900 on the upside. So this 300 point consolidation was there for almost 2 months. So again, yesterday market closed in that same region only, above 15,600. So even if market moves up, it will face strong resistance around 15,900 in the short term. So we can say that market is trying for a comeback only if it stabilizes above or closes above 15,900. So that is what daily chart shows. And for today, anyway, we may have a down opening because of negative cues from Asia and Dow futures. So after that, the trading range may be 15,555. So that may be the first important support. And on the upside, it may face strong resistance at 15,708. So after the first hour, if market breaks below and trades below this 15,555, we may see further downside, and for that 15,488 could be the next support level, and below this the lower support comes at 15,408 level, and Lower to that, there is a minor support around 15,340 level. So anyway, expect more volatility. One positive factor for India is that crude prices are down sharply today. Brent crude is trading at $110.5 per barrel because US President is asking for fuel cost cut. So that is putting pressure on oil prices right now. So only positive factor right now is that crude prices are coming down right now. So expect more volatile trading day today. Thank you for watching. This is an educational video.